guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make mincemeat pie. So let's get started. You'll first need to make a pie crust. I have a video showing how to make this and I'll link to it in the description box. Once your pie crust is made, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. And place a sheet pan into the oven while it's preheating. This will help prevent the pie from coming out underbaked on the bottom. Then to make the filling, wash the apples and then peel them. And then core and chop them up into small pieces. And then place them into a large saucepan and zest 2 oranges and measure out a tablespoon and add it into the saucepan. Then add in the dried fruit of your choice. I'm using raisins, dried cranberries, and dried cherries. Again, you can use whatever dried fruit you like. The amount of each is also up to you, but it has to equal 2.5 cups. Then add in the brown sugar, apple cider, cornstarch, butter, cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and salt. And place the saucepan onto the stove over medium-high heat. Stir the ingredients to combine them. And heat the mixture until it boils, stirring it occasionally. And once it's boiling, keep it over the heat for another 5 minutes until it thickens, again stirring it occasionally. Then remove it from the heat and pour the mixture into a separate bowl and let it cool completely. You can place the mixture into the fridge to speed up that process if you like. And pour the mixture into the prepared pie crust. Make sure the pie crust is well chilled before pouring in the filling. Then roll out some more of the pie crust. Roll up the pie crust around the rolling pin and unroll it over the top of the pie. Trim off the excess from around the edges and make sure the 2 crusts are tightly sealed together. And brush the top with some milk, or you can use an egg wash and it will give the pie a nice golden brown color when it bakes. And cut a few slits in the top of the pie and it will let steam escape while it's baking. And place the pie into the oven on top of the heated baking sheet and bake it for 10 minutes, then turn the oven temperature down to 350 and bake it for another 45 minutes. And once it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool in the pan for about 15 to 20 minutes, and you can serve it while it's still warm if you like. And that's how to make mincemeat pie. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.